Hi everyone! In this video today, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the Wibbi Home Exercise Program and how it can be a game changer for you and your clinic. We integrate with many EMR systems. If you have one of these, you can connect right from the chart into the home exercise program to build that educational plan for your patient and then send that documentation right back to the chart. Once you connect to the platform, you'll see that it's really quick and easy to send out exercises, from rehabilitation, veterinary, speech, Pilates, yoga, and more. You can search the exercise library, and you can also use pre-made exercise programs. Let's take a shoulder one. You'll see all the shoulder exercises available, and you can customize the program. Then you can send it out via email, text message, or print a handout for your patient. Each patient has their own home exercise program portal online, accessible through our app. Once they're logged into their portal, they'll be able to see their home programs, their documents, and forms. They'll be able to complete their exercises, watch their videos, and track their progress. This helps them stay more engaged. In addition to all these great features, we also offer RTM, continuing education, and much, much more. If you're interested in trying Wibbi or having a demo, please visit our website and contact a member of our team for assistance today. Thank you.